Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever been frustrated by overlapping visuals or lost a chart behind a shape in Power BI, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to confidently control your layer order and use the selection pane, so your dashboards always look polished and work exactly how you want. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to rearrange visuals, show or hide them, and keep your reports organized, even as they get more complex. Let's dive right into it. So when you're designing in Power BI Desktop and you start to add multiple elements, charts, slicers, text boxes, images, you'll notice sometimes they stack on top of each other in ways you didn't expect. Maybe a label gets hidden behind a chart or your background shape starts blocking all your slicers. This is where the selection pane comes in, and it's a game changer for keeping things neat. To open the selection pane, head up to the View tab at the top of your Power BI interface. You'll see an option for selection pane, just check that box. Instantly, a new panel pops up on the right side of your screen. This is sort of like lifting the lid on the layers that make up your report. It lists every visual on your current page, from the top layer all the way down to the bottom. Understanding how this panel works is key. Here's a quick analogy. Think about stacking pieces of paper. The one on top is always the one you see first. Similarly, the top item on the selection pane is what's displayed in front on your report canvas, and visuals further down are behind the others. So if you want to make sure your slicer stays clickable and easy to see, drag it towards the top of the list. If you've got a background rectangle or a decorative shape, just slide it down to the bottom. That way, it won't get in the way of your more important visuals or block something crucial like a chart or filter. To move visuals, simply click and drag them up or down in the selection pane, just like rearranging slides in PowerPoint. Don't worry if this takes a few tries. Sometimes you might need to play around with the order to get things looking just right. And if an object isn't named clearly, that's where the rename option comes in handy. Just right-click on any item in the pane and give it a name that makes sense to you, like background or sales. It's easier to find and adjust later. One super useful feature here is the little eye icon next to each item. Clicking this lets you hide a visual from your report canvas without deleting it. This is great if you're experimenting with layouts or setting up interactive bookmarks for storytelling. Maybe you want certain images or charts to appear only when users click a button. It's also helpful if you need to temporarily clear the clutter for a better view of the underlying data. Now, maybe you don't want to use the selection pane every time. Power BI also gives you arrange options under the Format tab once you've selected a visual. Here, how it works: bring forward moves your selection one layer up, while send backward drops it one layer down. Need to send something all the way to the top or bottom? Just choose bring to front or send to back. It's a quick way to reorder things without opening the pane, and it can save you time if you're just adjusting a single visual. Let me share a pro tip. Keeping a tidy naming convention for your visuals, especially as your report grows, will make managing layers much less stressful. And always remember to send those background shapes and images to the back. Nothing derails a user experience faster than a filter or chart that gets hidden because a shape is out of place. So there you have it. With these techniques, you can easily maintain layer order and manage even the most complex visuals for your Power BI dashboards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any specific questions or tips of your own. Subscribe for more practical guides. I've got a lot more Power BI tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.